TechWaxPro, professional care for your car. Ultra care, ultra brightness.
TechWaxPro Tire Shine, high gloss tire dressing. It's time for professional car care. TechWaxPro Tire Shine, deep black gloss, long-lasting protection. Spray on, wipe off, no mess. Keep your tires looking brand new with TechWaxPro Tire Shine. TechWaxPro Quick Wax, fast spray wax. It's time for professional car care. TechWaxPro Quick Wax, mirror-like shine in minutes. Spray, wipe, done. Shine and protection made easy with TechWaxPro Quick Wax. TechWaxPro Wheel and Rim Cleaner. It's time for professional car care. TechWaxPro Wheel Cleaner cuts brake dust, removes grime fast. Safe on alloys and chrome. Restore instant shine with TechWaxPro Wheel Cleaner. TechWaxPro Engine Cleaner. It's time for professional car care. TechWaxPro Engine Cleaner. Powerful degreasing, showroom clean. Safe on plastics and components. Keep your engine bay spotless with TechWaxPro Engine Cleaner. TechWaxPro Car Wash Shampoo. It's time for professional car care. TechWaxPro Car Wash Shampoo. Rich foam that lifts dirt away. Gentle on wax, gentle on paint. Streak-free shine with TechWaxPro Car Wash Shampoo. Keep every journey fresh and revitalizing. Introducing TechWaxPro Hanging Car Air Fresheners.